system. And when the water hits this, it drives this up and stops the valve from going up there. Anyway, we're already part 3 of this video. So this is going to be able to adjust the height, the water level height. And this is supposed to give me a chance to figure out the amount of pressure, water pressure going through this pipe or this rubber tube. And I think that this will be what goes underneath to keep this in place. Anyway, in some ways this is pretty simple stuff. If you've done any plumbing before, you should be well aware of how this works. But if you've never done any plumbing before, this can look very foreign and complicated to you. So that's why I thought I'd give you guys a few pointers on how this works. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.